Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open Figma local files. Figma local files, often called Fig files, are design projects saved directly onto your computer. They are incredibly useful for working offline or archiving specific versions of your work. Understanding how to access these files is a fundamental skill for any Figma user, ensuring you can always pick up where you left off, regardless of your internet connection. Let's dive into the simple methods. The quickest way to open a local Figma file is by simply double-clicking it from your File Explorer. This action will automatically launch the Figma desktop application and open your design. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the Fig file directly onto the Figma application icon or into an open Figma window. Both methods are straightforward and get you into your project in just a few seconds. Another reliable way to open a local file is by importing it from within the Figma application itself. First, launch Figma, either the desktop app or in your web browser. From your dashboard, look for an Import button, often represented by a plus icon or an arrow pointing upwards. Click this, then browse your computer to select the Fig file you wish to open. Figma will then process and display your design. When working with local Figma files, remember a few key tips. Always back up your important Fig files to prevent data loss, perhaps to a cloud storage service. Keeping your Figma application updated ensures compatibility and access to the newest features. While local files are excellent for personal projects or offline work, for collaborative efforts, leveraging Figma's cloud-based saving is usually the best approach for seamless teamwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.